When is this statement true? Okay, what statement? This statement. Okay, when is this true? The opposite of a number is less than the original number. Okay, and we're going to say, oh, is it always true or is it never true? Or is it true for positive numbers or is it true only for negative numbers? Okay, when the original is positive, is it true? When the original is negative, is it true? All right, so let's find the opposite of a positive number first. What's the opposite of 5? It's -5. Now, what are we talking about? The opposites? We're talking about if you have a number like 5, the opposite of that belongs way over here at -5. So what was our statement? The opposite is less than the original number. Let's put that simpler. I don't like all these words. We're going to say the opposite is less than the original number. All right? And let's test it out here. Which one of these is the opposite? The opposite is 5, so we're saying the opposite, or 5, is less than the original. What's the original? The opposite is -5. The original was 5. Is this true? Is -5 less than 5? Well, sure it is. So we found out that when the original number is a positive 5, that the opposite is always going to be less than that. Okay? Now, let's test it out for negative numbers. Okay, the original number is -3. What is the opposite of that? It's a positive 3. So if my original is over here at 3 to the left, the opposite of that is over here. Now, what does my statement say? The opposite is always smaller than the original. The opposite in this case is the 3. So we're saying 3, and keep your less than sign, is less than the original. The original number is this number right here. Now, is it true that 3 is smaller than -3? Well, no, it's not true, is it? So it did not work when the original number was the -3. Okay? It did not work when the original number was the -3. In that case, the opposite, the 3, is not smaller than the original -3. All right, so when does it work? It works when you are dealing with when the original number is a positive number. When the original is a positive, then the opposite of that will be less than the original. So we're talking about, of these 4 answers, the original number must be positive. So this statement is true when the original is a positive number. Answer C.